Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason from Grill Your Ass Off.
I'm Paul from Grill Your Ass Off.
And today we're going to smoke a watermelon. So we've never done this before, we've seen it online. We have some awesome whiskey smoked sea salt that we're gonna use on it. Potentially our gunpowder as well. Paul's gonna start slicing and then we're gonna go throw this on the big green egg.
Got it. Boom.
We're gonna do wedges on this and then get them seasoned up and go throw them on the smoker. What are you doing?
I don't like this knife. You finish it.
Yeah, so we got this cut up now. We made nice little wedges inside of there. We're gonna pat them dry so we can actually get a sear and some grill marks on it when we're gonna throw it on the grill grates on the big green egg. So once we get done patting it dry, then we're gonna hit it with the whiskey smoked sea salt on half, and the other half will be with gunpowder. Wax on, wax off.
Whoa, caught that one.
Drop it.
Got it.
Better than the Cowboys.
Yeah, that's true.
You do it so gently.
You got it, yeah. If you mistreat it, it's not gonna come out right. It's like Bob Ross, you know, everybody has a nice little
Is
friend.
that what's wrong with James? He was mistreated?
Yeah. Look at those trees, they're happy trees.
Look at those seeds. They look like nipples.
That one does.
What the? Do you see?
Yeah, that's.
There is
They all have them.
a nice curvature, and a shaft-looking object coming up. I approve of this watermelon.
It's gonna be good.
So Paul's seasoning up his half with gunpowder. I'm gonna hit these with the whiskey smoked sea salt once I take the safety seal off, because it is a brand new bottle and all of our products are sealed for your protection. One of the best things about whiskey smoked sea salt is give that a smell, Paul.
Smoky. So we got the whiskey smoked sea salt watermelon and the gunpowder watermelon. We're gonna put them on the egg and see how it turns out.
Yep. All right guys, we just got done flipping these over. Paul's hitting them with a little bit more salt, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit the top of them with the juice of one whole lime. All right guys, we've had it on total time about 6 minutes now, and we're gonna check it out, see what happens. They look good. They're actually starting to pull out quite a bit of juice.
Smoked watermelon.
All right guys, I got Paul's gunpowder smoked watermelon.
I got the whiskey smoked sea salt watermelon.
Here's a honest review because we've never done this. Cheers.
I don't really like warm watermelon. It's not bad though.
Feels like after you've been on the boat all day. Sorry for that, dog. And the watermelon's been sitting in the sun. This definitely has an interesting flavor
It tastes
with the
smoke.
gunpowder. The smoke doesn't taste bad. It's just, it's different. I'm not gonna do this again.
No. No.